Bitcoin live update November 21, 2023, around 4:36 Arizona time or Mountain Standard Time in the USA. So the software you're looking at right here is by the IM Academy, and I'm a member and also representative. By the way, hint hint, we are looking for students. If you are interested in becoming a student of this area, digital assets, consider joining the academy. It's literally, it seems just like getting a degree, and there's just so much to learn when you're doing this. Excuse me. And when you're trading and stuff and investing in things, there's so many different things that kind of come into play, and it's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. It just kind of over time, it seems to make more sense over time. So the first thing I want you to consider is, what type of trader are you? Now, these are the three basic trading methods right here. I'm going to do a sound check. These are the three basic trading methods. What do you have any idea what they are? Whoops. Yeah, got volume. First thing is, which style do you think you are? Okay, now I'm just referring to scalp trading, right? So what is scalp trading? That's a good question. Okay, scalp trading is kind of like the term day trading. It's you're looking at a chart. Look at over here. It's on the 15-minute time frame, right? So this yellow bar you see is where I had an entry earlier on today, taking advantage of this, and it's called going short. You just they had the system called out a zone, breaking close below confirms the idea. So you put your trade on in the order books, and you set your profits. Now, that's a lot of what people need to learn, is how to take profits, how to put an order in. These are a lot of great questions, right? And that's the thing is, once you learn that skill, oh my goodness, I think you'd be so happy, right? So the skill is just being able to take advantage of a trade like this. So the system called out this trade, and wow, it just beautifully, just look at how it worked. If you'd have got in around here, you sold short, you could have taken profits. At this point, I've already sold 80% of my order, and that's a scalp trade. Now, what about the other two types of trading? What does that mean? Let's look at that. Position trading and swing trading. What are those, right? What are those? Position trading and swing trading. Well, it's more on to me, I feel like swing trading is more like this time frame right here. So this is on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if you'll look, I'm gonna hide this. Each one of these vertical blocks is 1 week in time, right? So back here, currently we are November 21. This is back about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago, and even further back. You can see, I just started making the bars around here. Now, this is real interesting. So this to me is my swing view. I'm looking at it from the swing viewpoint. After all the research I've done, now we don't know where it's going to go. You can look, it's obviously taking a little dip right here, obviously, because that's the dip kind of blown up right there. But it has taken a dip. So should we sell our swing position? I don't know. Looking at this particular indicator right here, it's called a stochastic RSI. It's down in the bottom, which means to me it's potentially oversold, which means that's probably nearing a bottom potentially. Well, we can go over here and look at this. This is another system it's called Levels by the IM Academy. This is on the weekly viewpoint. So just kind of look, this is Bitcoin on the weekly viewpoint without any indicators. You can see since November, wow, it's really gone. It's done a lot, right? Look at this. So back here, November 21, this is actually a year ago. So look at this November to this November. So this is actually a year's worth of candles. from a weekly standpoint. So here we are, November 23, November 20th, 21st, 2023. This is November 2022, right? So back here, we were at 16,000. Now we're at 36,000. That's over double, right? So should we sell our swing position? Maybe, I don't know. That's what I'm figuring out. So that's the whole thing is once you study. And anyway, don't let these, I know this is real busy, but it is just a lot of analysis. And so for me, these yellow gold bars right here represents a really big support and resistance area. It's like, right, like where's it going to go from there? Is it going to break down and go below, or is it going to hold and go up? Well, we'll see. We can kind of zoom in on the hour time frame. It is breaking down, so we have to see what happens. But this is kind of zoomed in on the 1 hour viewpoint. So it has broken my gold bars, but it hasn't closed below. See, it's still broken, but it actually hasn't broken and closed below. But the bars aren't magical. It's just a certain key points that I looked up based on some research and some trading styles based on pullback percentages using the Fibonacci retracement. So that's basically the 0.50 and the 0.61 retracement of this move. So it's kind of interesting. And if you look at it, it's really, they're spending a lot of time nestling in this area right here, this gold bars. Look, this is on the daily viewpoint. Look at that. So they're just nestling. What do they want to do, right? So I'm not sure, but as you can see, I have those purple zones going up. I believe it could potentially go down to there, so you could pull down. It's just ideas, right? It says pulled up to here. Now what's it going to do? Could it pull down? We'll see, okay? But it definitely seems like it is. Look at this. So this is from the 15-minute. This is up close, like zoomed in. So yeah, we're definitely getting a break and close below. It is breaking down right now, but is it going to reverse? Well, we'll see, right? We'll see what happens. That's the 15-minute breakthrough. This is basically the swing standpoint. Every block is a week. Yeah, it's dipped down, but it is on the 4-hour time frame. You can really see there is a trend up. So I'm kind of excuse me, I'm holding out for the green bar. So we'll see. It's kind of a game, right? So we'll see what happens. But I'm thinking maybe, I'm just playing around, but let's see here. Maybe I'm going for a tool. So we're here. See, we could go like this. You never know, I'm just saying, I don't know. It's just it's fun to kind of speculate, right? Where will it go? Well, we'll see. Either way is okay. The good thing about what they teach us in the academy is we can profit whether the price goes up or down. So no matter if you're a scalp trader or a swing trader, you can profit when the price goes up or down. Position trading, you really just, as a position trader, we're just buying and holding for the long run, right? I'm going to really zoom out from a position standpoint. Now, this is from a position standpoint. All right. This is from Bitcoin from a position standpoint. So it's at 36,000. A lot of people believe that, it'll easily one day hit over 100, maybe more. You hear all kind of predictions, but, we'll see what happens. But that's position trading. Getting the in and outs, swing trading and scalp trading is just kind of getting the in and outs of getting all the juice out of every move, and that's if you're that kind of person that likes to get all the juice out of all the move, you can swing and scalp trade and get those moves. Now, what's kind of fun is I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out here. I'm going to save this. real quick. And then I want to do a, see, did I save? Okay, I'm going to look up a couple of key things. Just going to introduce you to. Just going to set it up on the weekly first. And I'm going to save it. This is Ethereum right here. This is Ethereum on the weekly standpoint, right? No. Let's see here. Nope. No. I hate when they do that. Let's see here. Anyway, I don't like the way that's doing that. Let's see here. Okay, well, I don't want to mess up my previous charts. Okay, it's okay. This is Ethereum right here on the weekly standpoint. This is my current number one, for me personally, this is not advice, number one asset that I'm dollar cost averaging into is Ethereum, right? So it's Ethereum is that one. And then also two, we'll go from there, but I'm just going to leave it at, that's the number one. So for trading, I've been trading, scalp trading and swing trading. This is just personally as I'm learning scalp trading and swing trading Bitcoin, because I don't know. It is the number one asset, and it does move a lot. You get a lot of movement that can be good or bad, because sometimes you can lose on the wrong style, right? But Ethereum is my dollar cost averaging. Here you guys pull it back up again. Dollar cost averaging coin is Ethereum, because I believe it's going to rock and roll. So we'll see, based on what all the teachers say. So it just means you just buy and hold, position trade. That's what that is, right? Position trading. All you do is, this is not financial advice, but you just buy it. It's just, you download one of the apps and you're comfortable with, and you buy it. It's real simple. And you store it on now you can have devices that you can just put it on a physical thumb drive. You can do it that way. So it's a lot of different ways to get involved. It's really amazing. But we'll see what's going to happen here. This is at $1,944. And I'm not going to make any predictions, but I hear good things about this one. So just letting you know, pointing that out, right? Now I'm going to leave it back on let's load a chart. Let's load this one back up. Okay. All right, we'll leave it here. This is on the weekly. Okay, look at that. That's beautiful, right? Look at this, all the way up to 67,000. This is sweet. Now, this crazy thing about this is, yeah, it's been a fun year, right? It has been a fun year. Have they been teasing us? Is the price gonna go down and to the dumps? Well, it could. So, but once you learn the nuances, once you learn your way around how to make your moves in the market, you can sell it and put it in your currency, whatever your currency is. Mine's USD. So if I feel like it's going to go down and significantly, it's time to jump out, sell, and convert into my own currency, right? And you can do the same. So if you have any questions on the Academy, please let me know. We're really looking for some people who are serious about it and want to get into it, because we got a new year coming up, and let's rock and roll. If I can be of any assistance to you, let me know. I'm just going to leave you with look at this, just beautiful. This is really great for scalping. And there's so many tools with the IM Academy that I've yet to master. This is one I'd say I've mastered. And I still have, so much more learning to do, but just where the gold bar is right where I've taken a scalp trade, and man, I've sold already. I've 80% of the trade already. That's a scalp. That is a nice scalp move right there. But the thing is, there's lots of moves coming up. We have so many, the next year, the next few months, the next year, the next 3 years, next 5 years, 10 years is unknown what's coming ahead. And do you want to be ready for it? What the one greatest hockey player says, the reason why he was so great was he's going to where the puck is going to be. Are you doing that? Are you going to be where the puck is going to be? Do you even know about how to deal with digital assets? Also, too, we're building out a portfolio. And if you're interested, we'll teach you how to build out your own portfolio. Just think about this. Globally, there's over more than 10,000 different digital assets. That's crazy. 10,000 different digital assets. They're the teachers are teaching everyone how to build your own portfolio of your top 30. So basically, just kind of like your own fund, right? And so you pick the top 30 best recommended choices from the instructors, 10 what they call major, like large size, 10 from the middle size, 10 from the small size, and you have a solid portfolio. And if you can lock it in, a lot of this, we're not even in the real bull market right now. Even though last year it's gone up double, we may have another swing down before we swing up. If you have opportunity to participate in this market, wow, that could be amazing. So just something to think about. So we're building out our own portfolios, and we could teach you how to build out your own portfolio from the teachers in the academy. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if the link to the academy is right inside the description of the video, just the academy is the DCX Academy, right? We have other academies as well. I'm still tapping into other things, what I can learn, but this one is the digital DCX, digital currency exchange, that kind of DCX. All right. Well, that's it for now. Appreciate your time and your energy. And remember, health is wealth. No matter what, no matter how much money, cash flow, money you accumulate, our health is wealth, right? Health is wealth. Okay, here we go. So it's kind of a fun saying. Health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Remember how we were taught cash is king? Well, my mentor says cash flow is king, right? So I want to have that flow coming in. So health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. And credit is freedom. Think about it. And I'll see you on the next lesson or update.